In project management, keeping track of costs is essential. We need to know how much we plan to spend and how much we are actually spending. BL Budgeted Total Cost, BTC, is a snapshot of your budget at a specific moment, while Budgeted Total Cost, BTC, changes as your project progresses. Imagine you are building a house with a detailed plan and budget. The initial budget is your baseline, but changes like using different materials or adding a room affect your total cost. BTC reflects the current estimated total cost, considering any approved changes. Understanding both BTC and BTC is crucial for effective project cost management. BL Budgeted Total Cost, BTC, is your project's financial starting point. It's a fixed value representing the total cost of your project as planned at a specific moment, typically at the beginning. Calculating BTC is straightforward. Sum up all costs based on your initial project plan and estimates. This includes labor, materials, equipment, and other expenses. Project managers use BTC to measure performance against the initial budget. By comparing actual costs with BTC, managers can identify variances. These variances can indicate cost savings or potential overruns. BTC is the foundation of your project's financial plan, crucial for cost control. Budgeted Total Cost, BTC, offers a dynamic view of your project's financial status. Unlike BTC, which remains constant, BTC adjusts as your project progresses and changes occur. BTC represents the current approved budget for your project. It's the total cost you anticipate based on the latest approved scope, schedule, and resources. Calculating BTC involves factoring in all approved changes to the project scope, schedule, and resources. Project managers use BTC to monitor the project's current financial status and forecast future costs. By tracking BTC against actual costs, managers can identify potential budget issues. BTC is your project's financial compass, guiding you through changes. Section 5. The significance of understanding the difference. Knowing the difference between BTC and BTC provides valuable insights into your project's financial performance. By comparing BTC and BTC, project managers can assess project performance, identify cost trends, and evaluate the impact of changes. This information is crucial for making informed decisions. Project managers can use it to secure additional funding, reevaluate project scope, and improve future estimates. Understanding the difference empowers project managers to keep the project on track and within budget. Effective cost management hinges on this knowledge. It allows for proactive adjustments and better financial control. Section 6. Managing discrepancies between BTC and BTC. Discrepancies between BTC and BTC are common in project management. Changes can stem from scope changes, cost estimate revisions, and change orders. Managing these discrepancies effectively is crucial for preventing cost overruns. Strategies include regular baseline reviews, a robust change control process, clear communication, and contingency planning. By proactively managing discrepancies, project managers can minimize their impact. This ensures the project stays on track. Effective management of discrepancies is key to project success. Section 7. Conclusion. Achieving project success through cost control. BTC and BTC are essential tools for effective project cost management. BTC provides a stable reference point, while BTC adapts to the evolving project landscape. Understanding the difference between these two metrics is crucial for monitoring project performance and making informed decisions. By managing discrepancies between BTC and BTC, project managers can control costs and achieve project success. Successful project management hinges on accurate budgeting, proactive monitoring, and a commitment to keeping costs in check.